Story coffee pokata Sound of my lowery attack man I let you many time no reason Do you want to hurt me? Holy shit baby Yo go need a man to me Now the time I did it I la pain again Shit me all up here baby Oh if I'm waiting and saving oh you love me Cool on our body me session that will jump she That I need a trip yeah me now G Get out please Don't be too loud and low loud me So you yeah my job and say you're so like that Jump so you baby land you do you lose you do you want Love anything I need I'm charged just that you want You know you that I need to get you out low la Yeah sorry I'm a nigga I'm lying Say you won't get it won't you I'm gonna need you, man. Don't care if you go to you, I have them. Yeah, I'm not going to be don't need any answer. Just look at that. So time you don't shut up. Just then I'm gonna be downloaded any fuck lab.
Shit, I'll cheer you, yeah. Can't go cold, I know me. Yeah, I'm really best, so yeah. I got women in the way. She like anything, she like anything. No try to let me love on it. Just show no twage.
Now you watch you, I don't know how to tweet on it. She them ya she have. Got me and out chilling cat. It's a don't I quit to have 70 but 3 but 20. They are the jet on Yazwane. Kneeling out on next time, yeah. I just hear out here, yeah. Can't go cold, I know me, yeah, me